पहले ही दिन के शूट पे उसी रात को गाड़ी ठुक गई और मैं जेल चला गया। और मैं सुबह तक आई थिंक हवाले के अंदर था 7 बजे
हुँ,
और पुलिस वाले भी काफ़ी अच्छे थे।
हुँ।
11 बजे वापस सेट पे पहुँच गया था मैं। Nobody had any idea. Jennifer Winget in Bepana also. She did a fantastic job, and that's when I
Yes.
met Harshad also.
Yeah.
So these people who really did set the bar, and I learned because it's very important for people before you become a main lead actor.
Mhm.
You have to spend time. My first set experience is a long back. It was in 2012. Okay, and I became an actor by chance. I was not supposed to because I do a lot of other stuff or whatever. And I got a call from it was my first Southern India. This is maybe June 2012. I had never acted before in my life. I had never been on shoot before. I had never done any theatre, nothing at all. But I took instructions well और मैं डायरेक्टर के पास पहुंच गया। मैं 9 बजे की शिफ्ट में 7 बजे आया था। तो जैसे ही सामान उतर रहा था, आई मीन एवरीबडी एल्स विल अंडरस्टैंड। सबसे पहले एक आदमी ने पूछा, नए हो? मोस्टली आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन नोन फॉर वेरी हाई इंटेंसिटी, रोमांटिक और very emotional, like the ones that I did in Ye Rishta and in Bepana also, and Sindoor Ki Keemat also, and Shaadi Sharte Lagu. It's always fighting, breaking arms.
Yeah. Please name 3 favorite co-stars of yours.
Obviously, I will. The first heroine, which was Surbhi Jyoti, she was one of the most. I have absolute mad respect for television actors. There is a certain skill कि सुबह के 9 बजे आके किसी ने आपको मतलब दे दिया स्क्रिप्ट कि आधे घंटे में शूट है सर, रेडी।
Congratulations for your show, which is coming very soon.
Yeah, thank you,
Cutting
thank you.
ऐप पे
Yes, thank you so
घर
much.
तेरा मेरा।
घर तेरा
प्लीज
मेरा।
इसके बारे में बताइए, how much excited you are for this one?
I am always very happy to work with Balaji.
Uh-huh.
And when I found out that Cutting is going to be launching and this is going to be one of their primary shows,
Mhm.
I was looking forward to doing a show with them. And touch wood, I got to do comedy, which is not what most people know me for.
Mhm.
So it was a lovely adventure. And like that little thing is saying, there's always some room for improvisation.
Mhm.
This entire show has been done on absolute improvisation, on fun, and I think it was the first time that maybe a director also just like gave me a free hand.
Wow.
कि go do whatever you want, जाओ जितना रॉबिन विलियम्स जिम कैरी अंदर भरा हुआ है सब निकाल लो. So I had a really good time and the cast was also amazing
But
to work with.
how much different it is from your regular shows or regular characters?
Mostly I've always been known for very high intensity, romantic, or very emotional, like the ones that I did in Ye Rishta
Yeah.
and in Bepana also,
Yes.
and Sindoor Ki Keemat also, and Shaadi Sharte Lagu. It's always fighting, breaking arms.
Yeah.
So last year when I transitioned to doing comedy, which was Zyada Matur on
Mhm.
Jio Hotstar, that was a fun one,
Mhm.
and I really enjoyed that so much
Hmm.
that I was having a hard time going back to the normal characters I play.
Hmm.
And then this one came up and they said, it's a tight shoot, but there's a lot to do. Would you like to jump on board? I said, yes, why not? And I read the script. The script was hilarious. I said, I think we can add a lot more, and the team was amazing.
Hmm.
So उनके साथ मिलके we built something amazing.
Something good, yeah. But was it was it this show that you were waiting for a long कि कुछ ऐसा कुछ something comedy or something like that, or you're waiting or you're ready for more?
I'm always hungry to do as much as
Hmm.
work as I can because as someone who's worked on television, I'm used to being on a set.
True.
If I'm not on set, I don't know what else to do. I'm used to working with 80, 90 people in the taam jam of every day ke 20 minute nikalo.
Hmm.
So I love working and whatever I can get my hands on, I love to. Obviously, comedy and different genres are experimental,
Mhm.
but I always try my best to do whatever I can. If
Yeah.
tomorrow someone gives me maybe a extremely hardcore negative role, maybe I'll jump from comedy into that.
Wow, so nice. I'm an actor has to be like this, I think,
Yeah,
है ना?
have fun with the
Right.
characters you can play
True.
and enjoy. मतलब why you
True.
want to be known for that one chocolate boy or whatever.
Right.
Yeah.
बट घर तेरा मेरा जो साउंड कर रहा है ना, आई फील वो ना ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ इमोशनल होने वाला है, कुछ पारिवारिक जो घर के फैमिली भी बैठ कर देख पाएंगे, कुछ इमोशनल सीन्स भी होने वाला है। बट कोई एक चीज बताइए जिससे ये कनेक्ट करता है ऑडियंस को या जोड़ पाएगा ऑडियंस को।
तो दिस इज अ कंप्लीट ट्विस्टर क्योंकि
हाँ।
लिखा हुआ है घर तेरा मेरा।
हम्म।
और अगर यू सॉ अ शो लाइक दिस ऑन वन ऑफ योर जीईसी चैनल्स
हम्म।
तो आपको इमीडिएटली लगेगा कि कोई लव स्टोरी है,
हम्म।
बट इट इज द एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट ऑफ दैट। मतलब शुरू होते ही पहले 15 मिनट के अंदर द तमाशा starts
हाँ.
and then you realize that the Ghar Tera Mera is not a love story, it's a hate and a fight story between a broke person here and an home invader over there. और फिर एक एक करके आपको पता चलता है ये तो एक बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्क ऑफ मतलब how do I say, it's like a network full of funny characters and crazy coincidences that keep happening.
And your character name is Rishabh.
Yeah,
है ना?
Rishabh Pandit.
हाँ. How much you enjoy playing Rishabh?
Oh, I had a blast playing Rishabh because our director Deepak sir, for the first time, he was like, "पढ़ ली script." I was like, "हाँ पढ़ ली." फेंक दो. I was like, "क्या?" फेंक दो. जो मन में आए कर लो, जैसे जाए हो जाओ, create magic. And like that, we created magic. I think there's one scene in the show which is a 4-minute one shot. And that entire scene is improvised. And one of my very good guys who I got to work with, his name is Adarsh, he's also there in the show. Yeah, that scene happened with him. And then there were some amazing shots with work with Karishma also and Gitanjali also. So it was an amazing shoot.
It was
Yeah.
fun.
It was a thoroughbred fun.
Yeah.
As in, we were having fun from the minute the day started, because normally they say comedy is serious business. But if your crew and everyone around you is having fun, then you have a lot of fun.
So true. But if you remember your first set experience till today, what has changed around you?
Oh my God, my first set experience. My first set experience is a long back. It was in 2012.
Yeah.
Okay, and I became an actor by chance.
Yeah.
I was not supposed to, because I do a lot of other stuff or whatever. And I got a call from this very, very, very famous lady. Her name is Janet. Okay, all to her for it. And I got my first role, which was a Savdhan India. And it's a very funny story. It was my first Savdhan India. This is maybe June 2012. I had never acted before in my life. I had never been on shoot before. I had never done any theatre, nothing at all. But I took instructions well. और मैं डायरेक्टर के पास पहुंच गया. मैं 9 बजे की शिफ्ट में 7 बजे आया था. तो जैसे ही सामान उतर रहा था, I mean everybody else will understand. सबसे पहले एक आदमी ने पूछा, नए हो? I said हाँ. And that was my first day of shoot. और पहले ही दिन के शूट पे उसी रात को गाड़ी ठुक गई और मैं जेल चला गया. और मैं सुबह तक आई थिंक हवाले के अंदर था 7 बजे. और पुलिस वाले भी काफी अच्छे थे. 11 बजे वापस सेट पे पहुंच गया था मैं. Nobody had any idea, but that was my first day of shoot. And obviously I had no idea. I was a child back then. But now it's been 12-13 years, 2,500 episodes later, there's a full-blooded actor. So when you start with a lot of fun and, childish dreams. But now I've matured over the years. Obviously, I like to have fun, but not that kind of fun.
But over the years, you have worked with several people, right?
Yes.
You have worked with several co-stars. Please name 3 favorite co-stars of yours.
I think, obviously, the first heroine, which was Surbhi Jyoti, she was one of the most fantastic actors that I got to work with and I got to learn from. And after that, my second show also, which for some reason, the ladies have been the ones who've always been like people to look up to. Second one was Jennifer Winget in Bepana also. She did a fantastic job. And that's when I met Harshad also.
Yeah.
So these people who really did set the bar. And I learned, because it's very important for people, before you become a main lead actor, you have to spend time at least doing an understudy of a main lead actor, so you know what it means to run a set, how much responsibility is there, how much work goes into it, the kind of discipline, the kind of mental fortitude you do. In 6 months, people break. They can't do it.
So true.
It breaks. That's why I have absolute mad respect for television actors. There is a certain skill कि सुबह के 9 बजे आके किसी ने आपको मतलब दे दिया स्क्रिप्ट कि आधे घंटे में शूट है सर, ready. So I got to learn. So at least my first 3 were definitely amazing. And then over the years, I've got to work with so many celebrities.
But you just said 2.
Surbhi Jyoti, there's Harshit Chopra, there's Jennifer Winget, and there's, of all of them, then there's the Karthik and Naira also who did a very lovely job in Ye Rishta. But the team of DKP is actually Ye Rishta. So that is an amazing people to work with. And, that was an amazing experience. Then obviously 4 Lions is always my home production house. They gave me my first Kabul Hai with my first launch. And Sindoor Ki Keemat also was with them, which was about 500 episodes. So, and throughout my time, I've gotten to work. Like last year, I got to work with a lot of film actors like Vivek Mushran and Rajesh Balwani and all of those people. So I've got to meet a lot of actors and I've always learnt the good things from them.
But there's something you learned from this journey कि ये चीज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए थी.
Yeah, of course. Of
What
course.
was that?
Of course. So there's learning that happens every single day. And
Hmm.
our industry is such that just when you think that I know everything,
Yeah.
that's when you realize that I know nothing and it's
Hmm.
time to start from zero again.
Hmm.
So what I've realized that if you're in this industry, obviously keep working hard, be
Mhm.
disciplined. It's
Mhm.
important what you
Mhm.
do when you're not acting.
Mhm.
And if you have been given the job, please make sure you do it with absolute sincerity and give the industry what your job is. Treat it like a job. Don't treat it like a la la land. Yeah.
Hmm. But before going, I really want to ask you one question. That घर तेरे मेरे क्या connect करेगा audience को? How will audience will be related? Relate कैसे कर पाएंगे audience?
तो
Simple.
सबसे पहली चीज़ ये होती है कि when I first entered and I started doing television or anything, what is the main reason someone does this? You don't do it for the money. At the end of the day, I promise you, that kind of money is not. It's to be able to take someone out of their life.
Hmm.
अगर 25 मिनट दिन के अंदर मैंने आपको हंसा दिया या आपको रुला दिया या had a good time, so घर तेरा मेरा is that show कि आपका मंडे टू फ्राइडे जैसा भी गया हो, आप शाम को आके आधा घंटे के लिए एक एपिसोड देख लेना, हंस हंस के लौट जाओगे एंड एटलीस्ट यू विल फॉरगेट योर वरीज फॉर द डे.
Wow.
So it's an all-out comedy show which is supposed to have just fun. Leave your brain at home, let it be there, and just enjoy the show.
Wow.
It's not a serious thing, and no messages involved.
So nice. I wish you good luck for this.
Thank you so
Good
much.
wishes. Only success for this one. Also, before going, if you want to say anything to your audience, your female fans, please go ahead and.
I would first like to say thank you so much. It was such a lovely interview. Thank you so much for having me this,
Thank you so
giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much for always being there throughout all of the journey. आप लोग सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. And thank you so much, and I love you all.
Thank you so much.